they up to? Because people don't know this. They don't understand this about their lives. They're just here to live without purpose. They're just waiting for someone to come in azobanikeza, nabadala, unobizo, bala. Discover who you are so that you don't have to be given a purpose by chancing beings. Because ayaqhamuka ama-opportunists enibone ukuthi nihleli nenze lutho, and they give you a task to do, which takes you further away. Because there's a trepidation yoba umkhulu wenu ogogo beni isikhathi esiningi, is that when they took up in life yethwalo lobungoma, iy'nkonzo, ukukhohlakala bobuthakathaka, ukhunkule nani. When they took up these callings, it took them away from their purpose. And now they are stuck. And la sebe stuck khona manje, trying to cross the river and not being able to, they fall victim to other spirits who are much more cleverer than them, who are going around looking for lost souls. Mtshela umagogo ukuthi lalela wena umthandazi, lalela lento yakho ilula, sizokususa thina lo mthwalo. But you know, yazi bafana njani, bele uhambe lapha kuthi umthobisi ufike umnikeze le, uzothatha lo mthwalo wena uwe, bese ke yabo wena yaqhubeka, wena phesheya ungasaphethe lutho. Ngempela afike, hayi ugogo unginikezele isikhwama sikagogo, usuyabhonga manje. Ya hamba obhonga laphana, umndinga amandawo nani, washaya ucingo, uphuza amagazi embuzi, thatha isikhwama sagogo, thatha isikhwama somkhulu. Kade uyitshela ukuthi uzoba yinto enkulu, uzophumelela ngoba nakho usuzoba isangoma, unyakanga, yini. Thatha umsebenzi kagogo, wakupromisa lokhu, akupromisa lokhuyana. By the way, none of that ever happens. But that in itself should tell you ukuthi naye loyana uthenjisiwe izinto ey'khala kahle. And i-trick yakhona is that, nawe mthembise kanje. Uthenjiswe nawe uyibona impela ukuthi you become very successful uma wenza lezi zinto zalabantu. Uyibona impela nje ukuthi ayizobe ngihamba ama-Rolls Royce. Thatha isikhwama. Lo utshela ukuthi isikhwama usishiye kuwena. Agijima ye lapha. Lapha nathi uzwe ngubani ukuthi ikhwama kuyaphathelwana? Uyajabula bo. Hayi asazi ukuthi uyaphi. Athi uwele ibridge wohlo, imthele emanzini. Umuntu omfula umthatha umphosele ezansi. Xake-ke manje because uyenzile le plan, how come? Hlala nje imoya engcolile.